Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Welcome. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. That's my OXO omelet turning spatula I'm going to try and spread my sky with. This is a shovel I'm going to put some paint into to make a sort of a dirty ribbon in the middle. And then I am going to swipe with some cards, after I wipe that off from the last painting. Dipped into Floetrol. Yeah, there we go. So, that's some golden hour. That's a pearl from Arteza. Come on, chips. I gotta remember to wash my hands soon. I've been enjoying a yellow sky. I think I want to add some pink to it this time. But I'm basically gonna start this way. And that is some white pearlescent. That's just something I'm going to use to mix things. If you guys have any questions for me about colors, feel free to ask. The orange you have to be a little careful of. Where did that come from? Oh, wow. Okay, well that sucks. Let's get that out of there. Must be some paint on my turntable tile. It'll be okay. I'll find a way to make it go away. So back to the problem at hand is right here. And I have tweezers that are available on my Amazon link underneath the link tree underneath the video. I definitely recommend having some tweezers. Because all the time that I've been paint pouring, you always need something to pull little pieces of whatever the heck it is out. I'm going to knock off my spare paint on the edges. I suspect this might be really fast. Just going to give myself a little bit of coverage there. I want some purple. That's all there is to it. That is a Folk Art color shifting purple flash. And I've got more weird things in there. That looks like, yes, come here, weird thing. Alright, I think that'll be good enough for now, she says as she goes back again for another swipe. Spatula swiping, 101. Go with the grain of the canvas if all else fails. So, I'm throwing that in the bucket so I don't put it down in anything. Here's my shovel. I should show you guys that. There we go. Here's my shovel. I'm going to use a little black. Bunch of green, a little bit of this deep turquoise, some Prussian blue, whoa, some Deco Art Americana gold with some orange mixed into it, some more dioxazine purple with iridescent pearl fine mixed into it, or Anita's white metallic, or whatever's handy. That's pretty much the same as the other one. Oh, that was an Arteza product. Alright, I want some copper. I still want some copper. Where is it? I want some more black. Maybe more purple. No, I'll just do the black. And two kinds of green. I think I just surpassed my need. Where's my other green? Right here. So, because I plan on doing my bottom in a different method, I'm just going to use what I've got and try and get it to go across the middle. Looks like I have some kind of mountain there already. We'll see. If I need to add paint, I will. I don't actually have to make that go all the way across because of the method I'm about to use with my little swipes. I could definitely pull it right down, but I'm having more fun sending it up. Now I'm thinking I want the shapes in the foreground to be squares or rectangles. So I'm thinking maybe I can just send some of that right over there. It's not very heavy. That's the only problem that I can see. Maybe because paint will flow to paint, I can probably get that to be swallowed up by whatever's above it. I kind of want some more stuff in here. I kind of like that purple a lot. I'm thinking it would look good on the other side also. Yeah, I like it a lot. Just using the blade of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, available on the Amazon link underneath the link tree, to tap and push just a little bit. Okay, so now it's time to do what I'm going to do on the bottom. Why am I nervous? So, purple and a little bit of white, pearl, some black, maybe a little more green right there, because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. I think the copper is important. Where'd you go, copper? Maybe some of this as well. Pretty sure this is going to work because it just worked for me. A little more Prussian blue. Maybe a little silver this time. Still want some copper. There it is. I don't want an overabundance of paint, and I might want more than I've got because I'm more than likely gonna use. Whoa! Spilled my Floetrol. Well, that's what I was keeping it in. Now I've got it someplace when I can dip in it right off the surface. I'm just going to use my residuals again on my edges, which is typical lately. I want to pull that down toward me, but I'm afraid you won't see it anymore, so I'm going to grab a different card. They're kind of the same colors. I'm just going at all kinds of different angles, expecting the residuals will be used. That's too sheer right there. It's kind of bugging me. I could go through and pull some more marks with my, whatever that is, it's got to go. Whatever that is hard to grab. Okay. I think I want some gold. I just don't have enough. Maybe a little more. No, I don't know about the black. I'm going to have extra, I can tell now. Just trying to pull at different angles. Quick like a bunny, I'm going to try and rub some of that in. So that's different. It's not as impressive as I was hoping for, but sometimes I feel that way in the beginning and I change my mind later. Sometimes the next day, sometimes a few days later. I could definitely put some trees on the hill, and I'm very inclined to do that by stealing some purple paint. And grabbing the palette knife and just shimmying it back and forth, and if I need some more paint, I'll dip it in the little puddle below. And that's kind of cool. That's working for me. That's good. Because I wasn't sure I was in love yet. And I'm quickly becoming enamored. If I don't give them any foliage, they're going to be swamp trees. Question is, should there be more? Just going to give the impression of trees. And there we have it. And I'm liking my bottom better than I was before. I wonder if I can just dip that into Floetrol. I will be fixing my bottom edge after you guys are gone. It is what it is. It's me practicing for my, getting ready for my 16 by 20 inch size canvas. I'll run my finger right along the edge of that. Stick it in the little gaps. I got nice cells. I've got something in there that doesn't belong. Then I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint. Tell you guys to check out my created playlists on all playlists on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm doing it upside down again. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you, and I've got a couple minutes where I can ask for your thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate that. Share my videos. It helps me out. I really appreciate that too. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I so appreciate that. I don't know what those would be. Those little marks, so I'm going to get rid of them. I'll probably regret that tomorrow. Oh, they look so cool on the video. So we torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint, even though we're swiping and that's probably going to get rid of most of them. I want to tell you guys that there is a monthly drawing every month for helping support the studio, and should you happen to be a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, whose icons are on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and also available on the link tree below the video. I see a few things that I want to play with, but I'm not sure it's a good idea. I just want to. Press the spatula in. Excuse me. Press the palette knife in. Yeah, I'm losing my mind these days. Sorry. I like that. I think I want some more trees though. So, what else should I tell you guys? Please like and share my videos. Thumbs up is important. Look under the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Saatchi art. My Facebook page is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors. Fans and Collectors has albums of the YouTube artworks. Those are different kind of trees. I love you guys. There's one more minute before I'm gone. And let me check over there. Thank you very much for all the wonderful comments and all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Check my community board on my YouTube channel for tomorrow's video. Look on the Amazon link under the link tree for my books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Look for Teespring clothing under the video, and that will show you Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts and more cool stuff. Ask me any questions you want to, and suggest that you might like to see something, if you'd like to see something added to Find Out America at Prixels.com, or even Teespring in the way of merch. They have duvet covers. They have all kinds of stuff. They have yoga mats. Anyway, I love you guys. I'm really happy that I'm here for you. You inspire the heck out of me. I get better because I'm doing this for you, and I appreciate that very much. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget, I have 1,700 videos organized by list of 100 and also by topic and genre. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.